In this video, I will explain how to map the stationary asset environmental source record types in the Salesforce Net Zero Cloud. Welcome to the channel Trailblazers. My name is Neeraja and I hope you will find this video helpful. Let us get started. Before we continue, we will recall what record types are. Record type is a feature in Salesforce that allows you to categorize or group similar records within an object. It controls the page layouts and the picklist values of an object, which will be available to different users while creating records of that object. We will now see the record types of stationary asset environmental source object. This is the NetZero app. Click on the gear icon and Setup. In the object manager, find our object, which is stationary asset environmental source. Click on record types. Okay, now in my demo org, the record types are already created. For this object, the recommended record types are commercial building and data center. If you don't have record types created, you can create new by clicking new. Enter the record type label. Now since my org already has the record types, I'm not going to save this record type. I'm just showing you the process of creating a new one. Enter appropriate description and click on Act. Now, for the CRM Analytics dashboards to appear correctly, your record type label, it should be the same or it must match the picklist value in the corresponding configuration object. We will see what it means in a moment. So once you have entered the details, click on Make Available to make this record type available for the profiles. Again, for CRM Analytics dashboards to work correctly, to appear correctly, select Make Available next to the Analytics Cloud Integration User. This is important. Now, if you want to make this record type as a default one for any of the profiles, you can just select it here. Next, you have to apply the layout for each of the profile. Now, I have only one layout, so apply one layout to all the profiles. Click Save, which I'm not doing it right now. We will now map the record types. What does it mean? In the setup, go to Home tab. In the Quick Find box, enter Stationary Asset Environmental Source Record Type Configuration. Click on this. Click on New Record Type Configuration. So this is what I mentioned. Select the record type and the stationary asset type. This picklist value should match exactly to your record type and click on Save. Follow the same procedure to map the vehicle asset emission source record type as well. These record types and pick lists determine the type of the environmental sources such as commercial building and data center. And they are used to calculate the emissions depending on the source. I trust this video was helpful. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.